Let's dive right in. SAP BO Design Studio is like the superhero cape for analysts, empowering them to turn raw data into meaningful stories. Whether you're a newbie or an analytics pro, you'll appreciate how it simplifies complex processes while boosting business efficiency. By the end of this presentation, you'll not just understand it, you'll want to be best friends with it. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Think of this slide as the highlight reel of Design Studio's evolution. We'll discuss its journey from concept to powerhouse tool, the tech it runs on, and how it caters to diverse needs, kind of like a Swiss Army knife. By the end, you'll feel confident about how it fits into your analytics toolkit. Time to brag about the best features. Picture this: custom dashboards at your fingertips, integration so smooth it's practically magic, and visuals that are not just interactive but jaw-droppingly effective. Oh, and did I mention it handles big data like a breeze? If Design Studio were a person, it would be the coolest kid on the block. Let's crack the code on Design Studio lingo. Widgets are like Lego pieces for your dashboards, components are the secret sauce, and layouts bring it all together. And data binding, it's like matchmaking for your visuals and data sets. By the end, you'll be speaking fluent Design Studio and feeling pretty cool about it, ready to roll up your sleeves. Installing Design Studio is a bit like setting up IKEA furniture. Straightforward if you follow the manual, but much more rewarding. We'll cover the basics: requirements, downloads, and configuration tips. You'll have your workspace ready and raring to go in no time. Let's tackle data sources. It's like making new friends. First, you find out who's compatible, then you build the connection. We'll review supported formats, quick steps to link databases, and a few tips to solve those pesky issues. Soon, you'll be the maestro of data connectivity. Ever dreamed of creating analysis apps that steal the show? Here's your roadmap. We'll start with defining the purpose, structuring the app, and then jump into adding widgets. Finally, testing becomes your superhero move. It's the secret to perfection. Get ready to create apps that wow your audience. Let's add some finesse to our dashboards. Filters are like coffee, essential for starting the day right. Drill downs are the cherry on top of interactivity. Together, they make your dashboards user-friendly and insightful. By the end, you'll know how to keep your users engaged and impressed. Designing dashboards is an art, and we're going all Picasso here. Interactivity is key. Animations, transitions, and external links bring everything to life. Plus, we'll test the user experience to ensure seamless functionality. Get ready to create dashboards that wow and work. Last stop: Crosstabs and Charts, the MVPs of data presentation. We'll explore their purpose, how to pick the perfect chart, and techniques for customization. Plus, we'll combine visuals for maximum impact. By the end, your dashboards will look and feel like masterpieces. Welcome. Let's dive into the magic of personalization. We'll cover how customizing user preferences creates unique experiences. I'll show you how saving favorite pages and using bookmarks makes navigation a breeze. Get ready to make your application feel like a personal assistant. It's 2025. Apps have to look fabulous on mobile. We'll explore how responsive design adapts to every screen size. Accessibility isn't just ethical, it's practical. Let's discuss touch optimization and how we ensure a seamless experience for everyone, everywhere. Advanced scripting, but let's keep it cool. I'll share tips on reusable code snippets and efficient algorithms. Sounds fancy, but it's easy. Debugging doesn't have to be painful, and improving readability. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Performance optimization is our next stop. Learn to minimize load times and reduce resource usage, because nobody likes waiting. I'll walk you through database query optimizations and caching, Both simple yet transformative for speed. Troubleshooting can sound scary, but don't worry. I'll show you how to spot common issues like a pro. Logs are your best friend for debugging, and rapid fixes are key. Let's talk prevention. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Application design sets the stage for user experience. Embrace simplicity and user-centric design for a polished touch. Consistency builds trust. And guess what? Listening to users is a superpower. Let's make your design shine. Time to learn from the real world. We'll examine success stories, and yes, failures too. Why? They offer lessons that transform designs. Let's tailor these insights to your projects. It's strategy done smartly. In conclusion, let's recap our highlights and peek into the future. Emerging technologies are exciting. Embrace them. Set ambitious goals and foster innovation. Remember, growth is a journey. Let's enjoy the ride. Finally, it's your turn. Let's open the floor for questions. And I promise to clarify any doubts with a smile. Share your ideas. This is a two-way street. Let's make this interactive and engaging. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.